One area that we're focusing on geographically is India and Southeast Asia. So this whole area is seeing huge population growths and demographic shifts that's going to require much more in terms of animal proteins and agriculture outputs. Why is this panel important?
Well, India and Southeast Asia are the other big market in Asia, right? I mean, people have for many years focused on China, rightfully so, but obviously India's now got a population that's going to exceed China's. Southeast Asia is growing very fast, and in fact, a lot of people have been amazed that there have been 3 mega unicorns that have listed out of Southeast Asia recently in different sectors, and so Southeast Asia and India have gotten a lot of attention, and obviously the food and ag needs in this region are enormous. They're growing, and there's more investment opportunity in this area. So I think it's good to highlight this sector in this area in our event.